the S25 Ultra has finally launched, and it's been the most anticipated phone of 2025, and it's been a month since it has been launched. I'll be explaining all its features. It has been released worldwide on the same day of its exact launch, and the most surprising detail is that he was also exactly launched on the same date on India with the same price. But is the phone really worth it? Well, you're gonna find out about in this today's video. But I'm actually surprised that this phone is actually have a very different exterior design, and not just the cameras, but it also has smooth edges. It is priced at $1,300, and it's not worth it. You might be asking why. It's a Samsung. It's S25 Ultra. Well, we're going to be talking about that right now. And then it has a main sensor with 200 megapixels wide angle lens. Good. It has an ultra wide lens for 50 megapixels. Also good. It has a telephoto lens. And also you can shoot multiple telephoto cameras, which is very good. And everyone says that it has more significant power than the last Samsung S25 Ultra, but that is just for another 20 minutes. Well, it is just a step closer to the AI feature and one step ahead of our dear Apple. Well, the last one was made of Gorilla Glass Victus 1, obviously the original, and this time it's made of the second, the Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and this time it is more durable and strong. It has an IP68 rating, so it doesn't water resistant, and good in many environments. Next, it's made of powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. It has CPU 37%, 30% GPU, and 40% NPU. Wow! And this is the most powerful and latest processor in the Android technology, and also has an S Pen, obviously. And next, the display is actually not very good because it's just a normal display, but it has little more quality. But it's not good than Apple iPhone 16 Pro or Plus. The screen is 6.9-inch screen with 120 hertz, which is awesome. It's a AMO LED 2x display. Then the battery life, like I said, it's 20 minutes more longer, and it's not that big of a difference. And the models come in 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB, and it's 4000 mAh, which is very powerful. And it also has a 12 megapixel camera too. And the Galaxy A, it doesn't do that much of an impact. You can search videos, do most probably the same stuff in the old phone. You can also now do brief hub, which is like personalized insights and enhance the user experience. Other than that, it's a good phone, but it's not worth the upgrade. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This is just a little brief. We'll be talking more in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye. See you guys in the next one.